In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a chart in Google Sheets. Numbers are great for detail, but visuals tell the story faster. In just a few clicks, you can turn your raw data into a clean professional chart that's easy to read and even easier to update. To start, highlight the data you want to include in the chart. Be sure to include your header row, so Google Sheets knows what labels to use on the axis or in the legend. Headers are simply the labels at the top of each column, like month, product, or revenue. When you select, drag across the entire range so the category column and the related numbers are included together. Keep your data tidy. Avoid blank rows inside the range, and try not to use merged cells, because they can confuse the chart. If you're tracking parts of a whole, make sure your numbers add up logically. If you're comparing items over time, keep dates in one column and values in the next. Quick tip: you can click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell to select a block instantly. With your data highlighted, click the Insert Chart icon on the toolbar. It looks like a small square chart. Google's built-in intelligence will read your selection and propose a chart type that fits, often a bar chart for comparisons or a pie chart for showing proportions. This automatic suggestion is a great starting point, and for many data sets it's ready to use right away. If you want to refine the look or switch styles, use the chart editor that opens on the right. In the Setup section, you can change the chart type with a single click, try out column, bar, line, or pie, and confirm the correct data range and labels. In the Customize section, adjust colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your brand or presentation. Give your chart a clear title, and if needed, add axis titles so viewers know exactly what they're seeing. You can also tweak the legend position or turn on data labels to make values easier to read. That's it. You now have a polished, live chart that updates automatically whenever you edit the underlying sheet. Fix a typo, paste in new rows, or replace a month's numbers, and the chart refreshes on the spot. It's a quick way to make your reports, dashboards, and presentations both trustworthy and visually compelling.